Good afternoon. My name is Kareem Beezer, and JavaScript framework that I decided to use was Ember.js. It's my first time using it, but I found it pretty self-explanatory. I mean, I had a few, you know, I bumped into a few walls here and there, but for the most part, I was able to get everything pretty much done just like how I did with Angular.js. But let's dive right into it. So basically, what I did, I created an Ember application that basically just talks a little bit about what Ember.js itself is, and it has a forum that you could actually like post, make different posts and like different threads and whatnot. So if you click on in, you'll see that on Ember.js, I basically put this application to help users learn how to use Ember.js, and it gives a brief definition of what Ember.js actually is. This is just a quick little demo I typed up. But if you head over to the forum section, you'll see that I have a recently added menu, and I have two current posts that I just basically install. You hit on welcome to Ember.js. The actual post itself pops up with a title. It tells you how long ago the post was edited. It gives you a little excerpt of what the post is actually about. I also added a little edit button here to where you could actually go in there and type anything, and it will dynamically change as you go. And it actually saves right in this region right here. And it's just my second post. So I don't mean like I'm just kind of pretty much messing around with it, but that's pretty much the interface itself that you're looking at. Let's dive into the code a little bit so you can have a look and see. HTML, index.html. Yeah, it's pretty much straightforward. In the script tags right here, this is all your handlebars for Ember.js. It tells you, it gives the application itself the instructions and as far as what needs to be done. But as you can see here, I just have an H1, I have a nav, I have recent posts. So I mean, it's pretty straightforward in itself. In my app.js section, it's basically I have the app that Ember, the application that I create. This is basically the function that pretty much starts up Ember. I have my router function that has different resources like the about page, the forum page is listed on this post right here. I have all the routes. I have my post controller. Pretty much works for the edit button. I have this editing default. I have two different actions set to the button. One that gives you the option to edit your information. The other one gives the option to finish editing. This Ember.handlebars, the helper, I had to download the moment.js file, and it's basically just for the date, just to put the appropriate date. This right here on the bottom is just an array of objects, two objects I created, just so I can have some placeholders when the page itself loads up. So I mean, overall, my style sheet, it's pretty self-explanatory. My style sheet itself isn't really long at all, but I mean, the app itself works pretty nicely, and I'm actually surprised of how little code, as you can see right here, 52 lines of code, and I was able to get the whole entire project done. But this is my Ember.js presentation. This is what I got so far. Like I said, it's still a work in progress. I'm still getting used to all the features that Ember has to offer, so stay tuned for any updated videos.